The best Xbox One X prices, bundles and deals in April 2019, where to buy the 4K Xbox. Xbox One X bundles, USA. Xbox One X bundles, UK. After a quiet start to the year, we've found some excellent Xbox One X prices. We're talking brand new bundles with the hottest games like Metro, Exodus, Red Dead Redemption 2, Forza Horizon 4, Battlefield V and more. Gamers looking for the most powerful console ever made have been keen to pick up Xbox One X deals since release, but there was a high cost to pay in the early days. Until recently, prices have been high at most stores if you weren't sure where to look. That's where we come in as our dedicated team of deal hunters cut through the chaff to bring you only the very best Xbox One X deals every day, and we've got some excellent ones for you today. In this article you'll find a comparison chart with the lowest prices on where to buy the 4K HDR Xbox One X console from a wide range of the best retailers. After the comparison chart, we've put together a collection of the latest bundles in the States and UK. These Xbox One X bundles will save you money over buying the items separately. If you're after information on the latest Australian deals, head over to our Australian page. The best Xbox One X prices. Today's best Xbox One X deals.